Today we have a video from The Crime Piece, and the title of the video is Liver King Arrested Body Cam After Threatening Joe Rogan.
Liver King posted multiple videos on social media challenging Joe Rogan to a fight and making threatening statements.
Joe Rogan, we don't have to make videos to pretend anymore. All of this is happening. We're coming to you. I've challenged you man to man to a fight. Real tension I have with you. Real beef. Yeah. Real beef. It's a real fight, yeah. And they're come bearing a, see if I can, you want to see just a little. Joe Rogan, I'm calling you out. My name's Liver King. Man to man. I'm picking a fight with you. Guess what? You're dead, bitch.
The Austin police became aware of the threats and located Liver King at the Four Seasons Hotel.
Going to jail. Cops are coming. I just need to put stuff on. Just put some, because they're not going to take me naked. So can I have 12 minutes to just finish my actual shit? I did 4 coffee enemas this morning. My intestines don't work like yours.
I'm probably just going to cuff him super quick and trust that they're... If he has a bag on him, I might just like go for him super quick or hand it off to you. Yeah, you can have it.
Well, I thought they would give a little backstory on like who Liver King is, but I don't know too much about him, but I'll give you a quick rundown of what I do know. Liver King is a social media influencer. He came about like years ago, and because he claimed pretty much that he got his physique from eating liver. Something along that effect. But later on down the road, it ends up coming out to find out that he was actually taking, hitting a needle, you know what I mean? Taking roids and all that stuff or whatever. Like, come on, like let's go back a little bit. Do you think you're gonna get this physique natural? Like, come on, man. Like, just eating liver. That's pretty much what he was claiming. Like, and this guy eats liver like he was eating liver like raw, like not even cooking it, just like, oh man, it was nasty stuff, man. But yeah, so anyway, he pretty much in the last few years or so, he's just gone cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, right? And he's just came after like Joe Rogan and stuff like that. Just started saying like a whole bunch of wild stuff online. And so yeah, I guess this is just the arrest footage of when he actually ends up getting arrested for the stuff with Joe Rogan or whatever. And I guess I should tell you who Joe Rogan is in case you don't know who Joe Rogan is. But Joe Rogan is, he was like a UFC commentator and did like some other shows and stuff like that. But whatever, he pretty much owns the biggest podcast in the world. Okay, he runs the biggest podcast in the world. Okay, that's the long story short. He big time. All right.
Mr. Johnson. Just walk right over here. Stop. Just step it over. Put your hands to the small of your back. Yep.
There are some items in this pocket.
It's already been searched.
There are items in the pocket. We're going to remove these and put these in the bag. So this, they won't allow at the jail. I'm going to give this to the wife.
Yeah. You should just give
And
that
do you want to go with all this cash, or you want to give it to your wife?
I want
You can take it with you. That's fine. That's fine. I'll put it back in your pocket.
So, yeah. Let me finish this side, though.
Top pocket. Yeah. Whenever you get down there, I'll give all this to you.
There anything in these pockets, Mr. Johnson?
Okay. I don't know. I don't know. The answer is the truth. I don't know.
I got you. Okay. Just take care of it.
Guys, man, allow me to
Get on this other side here. Okay. Have a seat. Sit your butt in first, Mr. Johnson. Put your feet in. Let me actually grab this little bandana. Do you want to take this with you, or you want to take it to you?
I want to take that with me.
Okay.
Why is he allowed to have that thing strapped? I know they searched it or whatever, but this would be equivalent to a woman having her purse on. You know, they take the purse off, or they, you know, someone having a backpack, they would take the backpack off. Why is he allowed to have this thing strapped to his chest? Like, why? Like, this is the stuff I'm talking about. The guy is just, he started to lose it these last couple years. Like, it's like, honestly, why would you even come with all that stuff? You know you getting locked up. Like, where you think you're going?
Oh, that's for, yeah.
I got you. Sit all the way back for me. I'm gonna grab this seatbelt.
Sit all the way back. Handcuffs. Oh, yeah, you're just.
Yeah, I'm just getting the
let me
seatbelt.
figure that out real quick. Hold on 1 second. I'm mobile, bro.
Okay.
I can do shit. Okay, that'll work.
How do you feel with that?
That's fine.
Okay.
You guys put handcuffs on people in the back of the car?
Yeah, everyone's got to go in handcuffs.
Inside the car, though?
Mm-hmm.
How
yeah,
come?
It's departmental policy. Yeah.
Because it seems pretty protected.
Okay. Right, hang tight for me, okay? Oh, that's going on wife?
Yeah, she's just going to in her own vehicle to follow.
Perfect. Huh? Easy. Ike wants to ask wife what's in that JRE box. So there's a Joe Rogan Experience box. If you and Sarge, however you guys want to do that, I'm just going to transport you. Okay. Hey, Ike, you up on the radio?
We do. We'll take
anyone monitoring from homicide about to be 76 with Mr. Johnson.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for the respect. Fine.
Today's Tuesday. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's Tuesday the 24th. What? Tuesday the 24th, June 24th.
Yeah, every day. This month, today, Tuesday, the day that I transacted the episode.
Okay. Gotcha. Where are you from originally? Yeah, where are you from originally? 10 minutes, probably 8 minutes.
What's your name? Somebody back.
Sure.
Unarticulate, your brand expression, you know, people don't realize. I had a meeting the other day. I said, I don't think I need to be at this meeting. Are you sure I need to be at this meeting? My number 2 and 3 people, they're both lawyers, they both rewrote laws. One of them got elected to city council, right? Come on, they're smart as shit. Are you sure I need to be at this meeting? Because they're really smart and anything that you can communicate with them, they can probably communicate. So are you sure I need to? Everyone says, yeah. And I give them 3 outs, and I said, because you guys already have my business. You already have my business.
Yeah.
I'm already sold. I can think no more higher of you. But what's possible is I can think lesser of you if you don't deliver the value that you say you're going to deliver. I still don't know why we're meeting, and if it doesn't require by law, then I'm just going to trust you. You better f***ing back it the fuck up, because what ends up happening is if you show up and you have bursted capillaries on your face, you know, so I can tell like you've been imbibing too much of this substance. Well, you know, your brand expression is congruent. That's how you do everything, right? So you guys understand you're gonna have my business expecting excellence. And just because you all flew here, I'm giving you hundreds of millions of dollars. Don't think that you need to have a meeting because, well, again, you already have my business. I'm sold. So just deliver excellence. They come anyways. They come anyways. And so I'm saying all this is because the breadcrumbs that you have, that you share, I know so much about you.
Okay.
I know the decisions that you've made every day that have shaped the man that brought me in front of me. You know, good on you, brother. Good on you. And now you're in Austin, Texas. You look the way that you look, and you talk and you move a certain way. Your gait is what it is. You don't have the burst of capillaries on your face. You haven't been drinking too much. You don't have these pounds of wearing different shirts. Which company do you work for again? This company. Do all work for the same company? Yeah. Why are you all wearing different stuff? Y'all look different. You look like you're from different companies, actually. And not one of you look like you're actually from the company. So if we were going to pick one, which one would be the one?
What the hell is this guy talking about, man? Like, what is going on here? Oh, boy.
That represents you. Okay, it's you. Okay, then you're going to talk today. Why? Well, where's your logo that represents the company? You're wearing some other golfer logo. What's the name of your company again? This one. What's your logo? Well, it depends on the company. So that. You realize you already have my business and we can leave right now and it can be done. Or you can still try and hold on to it. You can get rid of it back. Treat you like a regular person. Don't you really confused because I'm telling you what he's been doing today. What he's been doing the last couple of weeks. Now, I actually know things about you that you probably didn't know that somebody might know. And so, can one of you guys, one of you three, tell me, my wife is right next to me, and that's the number 2 people. Really small, good boys, zero ball, you guys know that. So I just need to know now the next 1 minute.
Liver King was charged with making a terroristic threat and released on the condition he must stay at least 200 yards away from Joe Rogan and his family, while also wearing an ankle monitor. Joe Rogan has never met or talked to Liver King before.
Yeah. I remember when I heard about this months ago. Like when it was actually going off online, maybe gotta be maybe about a year now. But I guess now, the body cam footage is actually just being released or whatever. But yeah, they were going at it online, or not really going at it, but like he said, it was pretty much a one-sided thing. Liver King was just on Instagram tripping, honestly, bugging out. I don't get it, man. These people, man. Whatever. It's a boring video, but it might be interesting if you actually know who Liver King is, or if you Joe Rogan or whatever the case may be, but whatever. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.